fasting in one country. He then travels to a second country. In that country, their month has started 2 days after his country of origin. Should he end his fast according to the country that he's traveled to, this would mean, of course, that he would end up fasting 31 or even 32 days. Is this correct for him to do that?
As far as a person who starts fasting in one country, and when he travels to another country, and that country has started maybe 2 days late, and if he continues, then he ends his month of Ramadan according to the second country where he has traveled, it may be that he may end up fasting 31 days or 32 days. So should he fast till the end of that country, or should he continue with the country of origin, and when they finish the Ramadan, they should finish? As far as this question is concerned, as Allah's Prophet has clearly mentioned in the hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1907 and 1909, that a Prophet said that when you see the new moon, you start fasting, and when you see the new moon, you stop fasting. So based on this, but natural, and another hadith of Tirmidhi, book of fasting, hadith number 697, the beloved Prophet said, the fast is the day you all fast. And the breaking of the fast is the day when you all break the fast. And the day of sacrifice is the day when you all sacrifice, indicating it should be done in congregation, it should be in jama'ah. It can't be done individually. So because the person, when he shifts from one country to another country, he should follow the rules and regulations as the people of that country where he's staying in. So if he stays in a country where they start fasting early, he should start fasting early with them. And if he goes to a country where the fasting is delayed, the month of Ramadan is delayed by 2 days, he should continue with them. Even if he has to fast 1 or 2 days more, he has to continue doing that. Because he has to be with the jama'ah, he has to be with the people. It cannot be that the other people are fasting and he's not fasting. He should maintain the jama'ah. That as what the people are doing in the country where he's living, he should continue doing that. Even if he has to fast 1 or 2 days more. I know the month of Ramadan either has 29 days or 30 days, but since he has to follow the hadith, that the fast is the day when all the people fast. And the breaking of the fast is the day when all the people break the fast. So he should continue and break the fast only when all the people break, even if he has to fast 1 or 2 days more. And similarly, if a person, when he starts fasting, and if he travels to another country, and maybe the sunset is about 2 hours late, so he has to fast 2 hours more. He can't say the country of origin, the sun was setting at 6 o'clock, and here it is setting at 8 o'clock, so I will fast 2 hours less. No. So the same way, as far as setting of the moon is concerned, he has to do extra days. If it's the vice versa, if a person starts fasting, if a person starts the month of Ramadan in a country and then goes to a country which has already started the month of Ramadan 2 days earlier than the country of origin, or 1 day earlier than the country of origin, in this case also, he has to continue fasting with the people of that area, even though he may have to fast 1 day less. Maybe he'll have to fast only 28 days. But in this case, since a month cannot be 28 days, he has to celebrate Eid with the people of that country. But later on, he should compensate for the fast he has missed, because the month of Ramadan cannot have 28 days. So if both the countries where he started and ended, both have got 30 days, and if he fasted for 28 days, then he has to compensate 2 days. But if the country of origin had 29 days, or the country to which he has traveled has 29 days, then he has the option of only fasting for 29 days. Then he has to make up only one fast. But he has to complete at least 29 or 30 days, depending upon the country of origin and destination.